Good morning, student. I'm your Stephen, sir. Today I'm going to teach you third standard, Unit 1, chapter number 2, The Magic Garden. This book is from Marigold textbook. So let's get started. So our lesson name is The Magic Garden. What is the meaning of a magic, my dear students? What is the meaning of magic? Magic means something which is magically, which we cannot see in our day to day life. So, here it's a garden, it's a school play garden, or you can say it's a school playground. So, I'll read in detail, so please stay with me. The magic garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies, and pansies. So here it's all about a school where there it's a garden, and inside the garden there are pretty flowers, plants, different kinds of marigold, poppies, and pansies trees. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardens." They were the children from the schools. So, here, what this is a beautiful story. It's not a story, it's a fun living type of story, my dear students. Here, what the sunshine falls to the garden and flower dance and they sang happily. Here, what we can see that flowers are singing, my dear student. They're singing very happily and they're talking with each other and they are saying we are having hundreds of little gardens where children comes and plays. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. So, one day, what happened, my dear students? As you can see here, there is a big picture where flowers are there, birds are there, they are talking. Here, what happens? Here, flowers are talking with whom, my dear students? They are talking with the birds. So flowers are talking with whom, my dear student? They are talking with birds. I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all, said the poppy. So here what happened? This poppy, what is this poppy? This poppy is a bird. So here this plant poppy is talking with whom? Is talking with birds and saying, I like the children coming, but whom he likes the more, especially the kids who are coming there. He likes them most. I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots. So why this poppy plants they like the children more, my dear students? Why they like because whenever these children comes they bring bucket of water. You can say bucket or you can say can. They bring water and they plant their roots. So that's why this poppy plant is very happy. Thirsty means in Hindi we say pyasa. Thirsty means in Hindi what we say? Pyasa. Pyasa ko pani pilana. So like that this poppy plant is talking about. Yes, said the marigold, the boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well. So marigold is also saying boys are very good. Whenever they come, they dig the plant. You can see in this picture, my dear students. Very nice work. So, are you doing this thing? Digging the mud and planting seeds? We love the little children say the tiny birds are kind and they bring breads for us. So, what did the birds say now? Birds are saying, we also like them. Why we like them? Because whenever they comes, they bring bread for us. What do they bring for us, my dear students? They bring breads. Bread means tukda. Bread ka tukda, what we eat in the morning, bread and jam. All the flowers said we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon. So, what all the flowers are talking, my dear students? They're talking about we will dress our color, means dress up, we'll dress up so nicely because they are going to come. Who are going to come, my dear students? Childrens are going to come. The sun said, I will help you also, for nothing please me better than to see the children running above the golden sunshine. So here sun also looks to the children and is happy when children are running into the golden sunshine. Here who is golden sunshine, my dear student? Golden sunshine is nothing but it's a beautiful garden. Suddenly the children come out laughing, singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. Oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child, and the flowers lifted its head very proudly. So, what happened here? Children are coming laughingly, talkingly, and flowers are watching them and feeling very happily, very proudly. Another child said, I love the marigold in the golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. So here children are talking about the beautiful flowers. They are talking about marigolds and other plants, and they are getting very happy. There is a smile in their face. As you can see, my dear students, there is a smile. Can you see the smile? Yes, there is a big smile on their face. It was indeed a magic garden because it had a fairies. Fairies means, you know, my dear student, fairies means, what is fairies? Fairies means a jalpari. Ya pariya. So magic garden's name itself is a magic, means something is different. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. So what is the speciality of this ground, my dear students? What they can sing, they can dance, only children could see them. After a time, a fairies come out and dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. So after a while, what happened, my dear students? Fairy comes, and what type of dresses she was wearing? She was wearing a beautiful dresses which was made up of flowers. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flower and birds were asleep, dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. So, what happened when we sleep at night? Right, my dear student? So, same plants also sleeps at night. So, here it is shown that plants are also sleeping at night and they are waiting for the next morning. To whom to come? They are waiting for children to come. So, this was the lesson adapted from the Fairy Garden by Margaret H. Bolton. So, this was the lesson. Thank you so much.